Hey guys, welcome once again to the basics of Adobe Photoshop tutorial series, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you the use of quick selection tool in Photoshop. So let's begin. So I have this image and suppose I want to make selection of this cat. It's going to be very simple process with the use of quick selection tool. So first of all we will select quick selection tool. Shortcut for this is W. You can also select by pressing W key from your keyboard. So first of all we will unlock the image. Now brush it over the area that we want to select in the image. So we want to make selection of this cat. So we will brush it over the cat. Try to make a very precise selection. And this remaining feather part we will select it with the refine edge tool. So go here and select refine edge. And from here turn on the smart radius. Increase it a bit, don't increase it too much, just about 2 to 3 pixels. Then go to smooth to give a smoothness to the feathers of the cat. Then go to decontaminate colors and increase it to about 80 to 90. So that's okay. And here make sure that you have selected new layer with layer mask. So that's all, and click OK. So we have selection of the cat. Now we can move this anywhere we want. We can move it to any other document, or if we want to resize it we can do so. So this was all about quick selection tool in Photoshop, and this tool makes selection a very simple process in Photoshop. So thanks for watching guys, and please hit the like button if you like this video. Thank you.